So I could burp like a long time. No, my friend Romina could burp like a lot. So like this. Wait, no. I can't. Sorry, I'm sick. So my friend here, right? He has a video of his brother getting possessed, like this. He has to show me. Wait, he'll show me. Look it. Guys, infinite time loop. Ay, suka masuki ma. Suka makasuki. Yo, look at this. But I'm so cringe. Goodbye. Guys, by the way, I'm posting a Sonic Speed Simulator video right now. So make sure to watch it. And it'll be done around like 6 p.m. February 13th. Someone's burping this video, bro.